Hi, I'm Dhruv Deshmukh, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Short Formats. Today I'm here to talk about a product that will change the way content is consumed in India. So earlier, entertainment was consumed by the radio, then came the LP, then the TV, then there were audio cassettes, CDs, followed by the personal computer, and now, increasingly, content is consumed on mobile phones. India is already the 7th largest smartphone market in the world, and by 2016, we are expected to be the 3rd largest smartphone market in the world. So let's take a moment to think about how we are consuming content on the phone. We want to do everything. Watch movies, watch videos, play games, check the recent news, get connected with our friends. In short, the mobile has become an infotainment device. But what about content? Indians do not have access to the right content through the right distribution channel and at the right prices. So due to low literacy rates, a lack of digital awareness, users don't even know where they can access the right content from. And Indian users can't afford to pay ₹7 to listen to one song. Users can't even afford data charges for downloads. And most users are unwilling to give their financial details to do transactions on the mobile phone. Hence, the global model of mobile content distribution is not working in India. And so, we are proud to launch the Biscoot Offline App Store. This will be the best way of mobile content distribution in India. So let me tell you how this works. What we have done is we've removed all the hurdles that a typical Indian user faces while downloading mobile content. We've removed the need for high-speed internet connection. We've removed the need to do financial transactions on the phone, which most Indians are not comfortable doing. We've also removed the complexity of using the smartphone, searching for the right apps. And we've added the promise of delivering the best content for Indian users on their mobiles. So, how have we done this and how does all this work? It's simple. You go to a shop in the neighborhood, ask for the content you want, pay cash, and get back your phone with all content on it. That's it. It is the easiest, safest, and the most convenient way for Indian consumers to buy app. And in 1 year, we will be in 10,000 retail shops across India. And let me assure you, this is just the beginning. Not only will this be the first digital distribution network with the best content, but it will also be 100% legal and high quality content. So this is our attempt to build a long-term and sustainable ecosystem, keeping in mind all stakeholders: content owners, app developers, distributors, retailers, and most importantly, consumers. Biscoot will be an open platform. And with this launch, I also extend an open invitation to all content owners who want to reach the mobiles of Indian audiences. You may be game developers, app developers from the movie industry, from the education industry, or absolutely any content owner. Biscoot will be the best platform for you to reach the mobiles of the Indian consumer. So let's talk about content. Now we already have a large collection of movies, albums, clips, games, and entertainment apps. As I said, we will ensure that we have the best content for the Indian user. We will also ensure that it is offered at rock bottom prices. So let's take a look at some of our apps. Let me start with movies. We will offer movies in various local languages to cater to regional preferences. We assure a huge catalog of Indian movies that are legal and top quality. And the price? Only ₹40. Now isn't that awesome? Well, not really. Because we thought at that price, a large part of Indian consumers will be left out. So, in order to create a revolution, we will offer top quality and original movies at ₹20 only. Also, for those who just can't get enough of Bollywood, we also have a special collection called Clips. It's a compilation of the best scenes of different genres at 3 different price points of ₹10, $20 and $30. So after movies, let's move to music. We will release albums of various movies and also compilations of top songs of different genres. These albums will be available at different price points, which will be much lower than any store at present. And since we are an open platform, we will have games and apps developed by any developer who wants to penetrate the huge Indian market. In fact, we've already tied up with top Indian app developers. And with games like Cricket and Kaun Banega Mastermind, we will offer the best set of games for Indian users. Biscoot will also launch specials each month to address issues like education, hygiene habits and more. that will assist the Indian user in his day-to-day life. And for the launch, our special category is one without which India is incomplete. Irrespective of age, gender or geography, it is difficult to take out religion from an Indian's life. Recognizing this, we are launching a range of devotional apps that will include aartis, chalisa, mantra and complete information of various Indian deities. So let's take a look at one of these apps. Now this app has everything one wants to know about Lord Shiva. In today's fast-paced lives, these apps promise to keep the new India connected to their roots. So that was the Biscuit offline app store. They say if content is king, distribution is god, but I think in this case, both the king and the god were quite neglected. So we thought it's time to reinvent the whole space. This means that through a unique set of apps and the offline distribution model, we ensure that mobile content distribution is completely adapted to the needs of the Indian consumer. But we are not done yet. We still have a few more innovative products that I would like to talk about. So let me start with Biscuit Talkies, which is one of its kind Indian movie streaming portal. We have a huge catalog of movies of different genres and in various regional languages. We have already tied up with leading production houses, and for people who prefer streaming movies, Biscuit Talkies will provide a top quality viewing experience. From movie streaming, I'd like to move to music streaming. We are also launching today Biscuit Bajao. This will be India's first music networking portal. So in India, we are really passionate about our music. In fact, we share our happiness by sharing music. And Bajao has taken this sharing experience a level higher by offering joint playlists that can be created together and also shared with friends, family, relatives by various social media like Facebook, Twitter, and other social networking websites. In fact, one can create his own profile page, find and add friends, and keep a tab on their activities. Bajao also ensures very easy navigation. Users can browse through and explore the site while listening to their favorite songs, as it remains static. One can also drag and drop their favorite songs to the player. Also, if one doesn't quite know what to play, we have an awesome set of live radios, which the user can choose from as per his mood. Users can also choose to play songs of their favorite artists. So, if you're a big Sonu Nigam fan, a collection of some of his best songs are just one click away. So that is Biscuit Bajao. Absolutely easy to use, customized for the needs of Indian audiences, and India's first music networking portal. And guess what? We still have one more product to launch. As I mentioned, we want to create a complete ecosystem for mobile content distribution. And there is one set of Indian users that have still not been addressed. People who are internet savvy but are scared to do financial transactions through the phone or through the internet. And so, I'm proud to launch the Biscuit digital currency. So these Biscuit cards can be purchased from your nearest retailer and will be available in 4 denominations. So through this currency, users can create a Biscuit Batwa account online, which can be used to make purchases on all online products that I've just shown you. In fact, very soon the Biscuit currency can also be used to make in-app purchases on mobile phones and also other e-commerce websites. So, we've launched 4 products today. First is the revolutionary offline app store, Biscuit App Bazaar. Next, a one-stop solution for streaming Indian movies, Biscuit Talkies. Third, India's first music networking portal, Biscuit Bajao. And finally, one of the safest ways to make online payments, the Biscuit currency. These products will completely change the way mobile content is consumed in India. To try out, you can log on to www.biscuit.com or visit your nearest retailer. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that is it from me today. Thank you.